Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Now guys, most of us know that My Brother's Keeper is coming to an end and there's a new show that will be replacing the time slot of My Brother's Keeper. This new show this telenova is called Genesis, you guys, and it's going to be starting from the 21st of April 2025. The new telenova follows Felicia Tabete, who was once the queen of gospel and believed that she had built a solid legacy with her husband Gabriel. But when shocking secrets emerge, her world is thrown into chaos. With Genesis records at stake, Felicia must fight to protect her family's name before it all falls apart. So that's what it's going to be about, you guys. But they have also introduced the cast that's going to be part of this Genesis telenova, some being Ubaby Tsele, guys. I love Ubaby Tsele, so I trust Uti. She is going to give what needs to be given. Also Umkhokha the curse star Unay Maps, he's also going to be part of it. Also UKP, if you guys remember her, she was acting on Rhythm City as Miles' wife, so she's also going to be part of that. Then we also have Ubuyile Madlala, you guys. So they do kind of have heavy actors that we know are going to bring their A game, you guys. But based on the storyline that they've explained, you guys, I just am not feeling it, and I'm just feeling like already like landing at Isospora, you guys, because I mean the show is starting off with secrets already. But anyway, we will be there to watch it, guys, and see how it's gonna, how it's going to unfold, or if it's really going to satisfy our taste palette. Because I mean, that's some tough competition with My Brother's Keeper, which like towards the end of the season of My Brother's Keeper, like they really brought their A game, you guys. So if you are wondering what you're going to be watching now that My Brother's Keeper is coming to an end, that is something that you can look out for. Of course, we will be here, yes, giving our review on the show. But anyway, guys, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.